Vlogs here, and I think we're just doing a candy challenge, even though we're not American. We are British. We say sweet challenge, but we say candy. Anyway, so we have got a range of different stuff. We've only got 4 stuff because
Three
Smarties.
Oh yeah, I've got my brain liquor.
The adults have eaten a bit of Hershey's already, and we have got cookies and cream. So yeah,
Let's get
should we start with Smarties?
Smarties are not American though.
We're not sure if they're American, so oh my god. You get all blue, like. But I don't get all blue. No, I don't.
I didn't get blue.
Right. Huh?
I didn't get blue.
You do. Yeah, I got blue. So basically, that's all they are. Now they're like labels. Right, that's
What?
Smarties. Rating out of 10. Move in a little bit. Rating out of 10, what do you think?
I got a 0. Out of
0?
0.
No, 0 is something out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Why? Say why.
Why?
Yeah, why?
I don't like them.
Right, who says sorry, right? I say 7.5. Forgot the drink. There's one at the back there, in the green bottle. My brother put in here.
What is it?
It's just water. Right, if you can see this thing here, it's a camera. No, not a camera, it's a speaker. So, oh, yeah. So, it's seeing it's better quality. Right, what's the next one?
Hang out! No.
Oh, sorry, we're interrupting the video now. Right, Harry, come here, you've got to try some Smarties.
I'm not got it. I'm not doing no tasting.
Okay,
Get out,
just
run
get out,
then.
please.
No, I'm watching.
Okay, he's watching. Don't pull funny faces, okay? Right, next we're going to try
Hershey's.
Hershey's creamy milk chocolate. Just creamy
Go
milk
on.
chocolate.
Boy, that's fun.
It's white. It's dripping all in the carpet, mate. It's white at the back. Why is it white, everyone? It's white. It's
Harry, catch it!
Is it even in date? Is this even in date?
Smells in days. Just smell like coffee.
It's not meant to be coffee.
Smell like coffee, smell it.
We don't. Oh, sugar bean, whatever.
I don't have this in date.
Come on, George, eat them Hershey.
Is it in date?
Best before.
But I wanted
You
to...
don't say.
It tastes like it's in date.
Okay, anyway.
Nice.
Oh. It's out of date. That's out of date. All day long.
Oh, nice.
But it's out. Oh no, that's out of date.
Not. That's
Why have
nice.
we bought out of date chocolate? What's the date on this one?
Okay, open it.
It don't say. I bet it's just like 100 years old. Not.
Oh, no. There you
That looks normal. That looks normal. Whipping cream. Oh, it looks like that. No, don't eat 6 pieces each.
go. No, that's not what it came in the packet.
You only eat half each.
Oh!
Oh, what was yours on that one? This is lovely. And how we eat different things.
No, this is lovely.
Right. What do you want on the creamy milk chocolate? This isn't this one, okay? It's the
Now a black one and a white one.
What's the back one? Right. What's that? What's your rating for this? No, give me that one. Oh, don't eat it all.
Right.
What's the date? Oh, no, yeah. Okay, I guess you'll like that one.
Bro, stop drinking all your brain.
What is it for this one? Do you like it?
I'll give it 100 out of 100.
Okay, I'll give it 1 out of 10 because it don't taste in date. But if it is in date, be like a 10 out of 10. Eat the out of date chocolate, yeah.
That's not out of date.
100% out of date.
Oh.
Right, is there any more chocolate?
It's in date on May.
Where?
Oh.
It's not the date. Oh, that stinks. Right, guys. I don't know. Can you get out? Don't know if it's in date or not.
Look at the date. That's the date.
What is one?
Yes, it is. My sister told me.
Well, this is 6. That's 1.
That's disgusting. That's Look at the date on that, though, if you can see.
But there isn't.
There. It's horrible, though.
Right, we've got a brain liquor now. We're going to both try the rain liquor.
Brain
Tomatoes.
liquor's not
Now,
American.
what do you think of this one? I say 10 out of 10.
I'll say good.
No, please don't bite the whole thing. Just have that bit, thanks.
No.
Right.
Let's start.
10 out of 10 for me on this one.
Let's get started with the brain liquor.
How about this one?
100 out of 100.
10 out of 10. You said.
I'll give that a 0 out of 0. This one tastes like
Yeah, I'll give it 1. Not even a 0.
Let's go on to the brain liquor.
Oh, you can go first.
Brain liquor.
Okay. Oh my god.
Squeeze it like that. Like this.
It's sour.
See that? Got a blue tongue.
I don't like that. I don't know. Do you like that? Well, obviously.
Not even sour. If we try a lot of times, it's not.
The brain liquor.
Do you want to try the brain? Do you want to try some houses?
No, thank you.
The Hershey's are out of date.
I think it's just melted, then it's gone back together again. That's what's happened.
It's melted and it's
no.
gone back to date.
What?
It's melted and it's gone back together.
I don't know if stuff's in date or not.
What did your mum say? Because when you go down there, look on the dates.
But with the dates, you can't. Oh my god. She did say that.
The Smarties are not
The Smarties are in date. Oh, hang on. The Smarties are in date. Look, 2017. We're not even in 2000. We're only in 2016. Is that in date? Because that could seriously be out of date. Give it to me. Put the lid on it first. Oh, it's in date.
Yes!
2 years, so you're good on that one. So now you know it's in date, you want to eat more, yeah? Is that right? Right.
Remember?
No! Do not, you dare eat the whole thing.
You can have that one.
And put it back in
Eat all.
Right.
I'm taking this with me.
Right. I'm going to see you guys next time. Stay positive, dream big, and we'll see you guys next time for another vlog.
Hey!